I am Senora Pataki, and I'm going to teach you about minors and cofactors of matrices, which you use to find the determinant of the matrices. Kayleen, are you here?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Caroline, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. Where we were going. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you about the matrices. First of all, to find a minor, they're going to give you something like this. It's a little m, and it has these little numbers, and the numbers are where you have to cross out to get a smaller matrice. So this is row 1, so we're going to cross out row 1, and this is column 2, so we are going to cross out column 2. No. Yes.
Senora Pataki, that's actually wrong.
How is that wrong?
You actually cross out column 1 and the top column, not column 2.
Caroline, I'll just fix that up. Okay, so now we have this little matrice right here, and you're going to rewrite the little matrice. So 2, 6, 1, -4. And using this, we are going to find our minor. Kayleen, get back in your seat. Now, up. Now we take 2 and multiply it to -4. So 2 times -4. And we subtract 1 times 6, which is -9 minus 6, which equals -14.
Okay, go.
Stop being an idiot, Senora.
What are you talking about? What did I do wrong?
No, it's supposed to be a -8, not a -9. Get it right.
I don't like your 8s or your attitude.
Okay, you can do it again.
So 4 times -4 equals -16 minus 3, because 3 times 1 equals 3. And then -16 minus 3 is -19. And there, now you gotta find the other one in that row. So minor 1, 3. You cross out the first row and you cross out the third row. Now you have these 4 numbers. 4, 3, 2, and 6. So then you multiply 4 and 6.
Yeah.
So 24 minus 6 equals 18. Okay, and there you go. That's all your minors of the first row. Now we only need 3 minors to help us find the determinant, which we find after we find the cofactors. So we know that our minors are -14, -19, and 18. So now we're going to find our cofactors. Now that we have our minors, minor 1, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 3, we can find our cofactors. 1, 1 corresponds to the first number in row 1, column 1. 1, 2 corresponds to row 1, the first number in row 1, column 2. And minor 1, 3 corresponds to the number in row 1, column 3, the first number. So to find the cofactor, we simply plug them into the sign pattern. The sign pattern just says that if it's going to plug into a plus sign, that means there's no sign change. If it's going to plug into a minus sign, that means there is a sign change. So we're going to plug minor 1, 1, which is -14, into the first thing, because that's what it corresponds to. And there's no sign change, so it'll just be -14. And then we do the same thing for minor 1, 2, which there is a sign change for, so it'll be 19 instead of -19. And then minor 1, 3, we plug into this one. And since there's no sign change, it'll just be 18. And there you go.
Yeah.
So does everybody understand? Actually, you guys are wrong. This is supposed to be 18. Who's the idiot now? Not me, not Senora Pataki. And there you go. Those are the cofactors. And now we are going to find the determinant